Hey there! Today we will be talking about how to remove the background of your photos without using Photoshop. Coming up! Hi there! This is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So, one of the tasks that we usually do as a VA is to edit some photos, not necessarily become a graphic designer, but just a few edits here and there before we upload them on some pages. So today we will be talking about how to remove the background of your photos without using any app or software, including Photoshop. So I will be sharing with you my screen and demonstrate how to do it. So today we will be talking about how to remove the background of our images without using Photoshop. And this channel is about the virtual assistant industry. So feel free to browse on this channel. We have a playlist here where you can learn about the virtual assistant. And if you think this is something that you want to learn moving forward, or is this is something that you can share with your friends, consider subscribing and sharing this channel with others. Don't forget to click the bell so that you will get notifications once I uploaded a video, and of course do not forget to like this video as well. So now on with the topic. Now, why do we need to remove background on our images? It really depends on our purpose, but some of the purposes are to focus on the main image so that we are not distracted with the background. And to repurpose the image, perhaps we want to put a different background, and also to set another background. So it really depends, but as a VA, we do some light image editing or photo editing from time to time. So this is actually part of our responsibilities one way or another. So I'm sharing this tool with you. Before we go to the tool, let me give you an example of what I'm talking about when it comes to removing the background. So from here to this, all right, so we were able to remove the other people behind. Let me give you another example. For example, we are a group of people like this. We want to remove the background behind us. So the output is this. And the app is not only applicable to people but to other types of images as well. So for example, this tulip flower, we can remove the background and it will look like this. And if we have a number of many flowers, we can remove the background and become this image. What tool do we need to use? So first of all, you do not have to worry, because this tool that I'm going to share with you is a free tool. Of course, you know me, I'm into free apps and tools. I don't want anyone to spend too much on tools. So it is easy to use and it is very friendly. I'm telling you, you will be able to remove the background in less than 10 seconds. And then all you need is, of course, an internet and a browser and the image you will remove the background from. Of course, how can we remove a background if we don't have the image, right? So the tool that we are going to use is called remove.bg, and that is exactly the link of the tool or the app. So let me demonstrate to you how it goes, okay? Thing we want to do is, of course, open our internet browser. So you can use Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, whatever browser you are using. So go to the web address and type in remove.bg. That's the first step. And the second step is to go to this green button that says select a photo, click it, and find the picture that you want to remove the background from. Well, this is my picture. Did you see that? That was just a few seconds. From this picture to this picture. Now, did you see, since below of this image is like blurry part, you can just crop the picture off so that it won't look like a weird thing like this, right? So the next step is to click this green button that says download. When you download that, it will be put on your download folder, or you just can click that image to check it out. So the background is now removed, right? That was easy. That's how many seconds, how many steps. Let's do it again. Perhaps we want to try with a flower, like the picture that I've shown you before. So that is the tulip. See? You will see here. So there you go. From this image to this image. You haven't done any complicated steps, right? So just click download. The same thing. So that's just it. That is so easy, right? You do not need a Photoshop skills. You do not need to know to highlight or click something complicated or to drag anything. That is so simple, right? It's your turn. Share in the comments below why you need to remove a background from your image. I want to hear from you. So thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something and this is really helpful to you. And if you like this video, of course don't forget to hit like. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe, hit that bell button to get notifications. And I will see you again soon.